Today's lesson is on how do we understand the y-intercept of a graph. The y-intercept of a graph is where the graph crosses the y-axis. Take a second to copy that down. What is the y-intercept of the following graphs? Draw a quick sketch of each graph. So the y-intercept is where our graph crosses the y-axis. So this is my y-axis. So I'm going to look to see where the graph crosses the y-axis. My graph crosses or touches the y-axis at this point. So for this problem, my y-intercept is 2. We're always going to have our y-intercept be b. So for this first one, we have our y-intercept, or b equals 2. For the second problem, I see that my graph crosses my y-axis down here. Our y-intercept is still going to be b equals our -5. Even though we went down 2 spaces, we see that our y-intercept is at -5. So b equals -0.5. The prices for a bowling alley are shown in the graph. How much does a bowling alley charge per game and for shoe rentals? Take a second to copy down the question and draw a quick sketch of the graph. So this question is asking 2 problems. How much do they charge per game and for shoe rentals? If I need to find the cost per game, we learned this yesterday, I'm going to find the slope. My slope is m equals. So I'm going to pick 2 points. If I want to find the slope, I have to find 2 points that are right on the grid. My first point is here, and this is my second point. So my slope, I go up from 12 up to 18. So that would be up 6. And then I go to the right from 6 to 10, so that's 4. So I can reduce this to 3/2. So my slope is 3/2. So that means that the cost is $1.50 per game. Now I have to find out how much they charge for shoe rentals. Shoe rentals is the initial cost. My cost of me bowling 0 games. I still have to pay that amount there. So that number would be in the middle of 2 and 4. So in the middle of 2 and 4, it would be $3 for shoe rentals. And our last question is the joke of the day. What did the 0 say to the 8? Take a second to copy down the question, and everyone think of their best answer and come to class with their answer tomorrow.